Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to receive crypto on SafePal step by step. If someone wants to send you crypto, you can use your SafePal wallet's receiving address or QR code. First, open the SafePal app on your phone. Once the app is open, tap on Receive. Now you'll see the list of available tokens. Choose the token you want to receive. After selecting the token, SafePal will show you your wallet address and a QR code. You can tap Copy Address to copy your wallet address. You can then send this address to the person who is going to send you the crypto. Alternatively, they can scan the QR code displayed on your screen if they're using a compatible wallet or exchange. Before you share the address, make sure you've selected the correct token and network. This is especially important when a token is available on multiple networks. The sender should use a network that's compatible with the receiving address you've selected in SafePal. Using the wrong network can cause funds to become inaccessible. After the sender completes the transaction, you can return to SafePal and check your wallet to see whether the transaction has been received. Depending on the network, it may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed. You can also check your transaction history to see the status of the incoming transaction. One important thing to remember is that your wallet address is not the same as your recovery phrase or private key. Your receiving address can be shared when you're receiving crypto, but your recovery phrase and private key should always remain completely private. Also, always double-check the wallet address before sending it. If possible, compare the first and last few characters to make sure the correct address was copied. And that's it. Now you know how to receive crypto on SafePal using your wallet address or QR code. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for